Hello everyone, it has been a long time since I released any video, as I was very busy at the university with assignments and exams. Anyway, welcome back to my little channel which has no views. But I'm happy doing it anyway. Well, I mean, at the end of the day, we all want to do what we love, right? Okay, so let's get started. Today I would like to introduce you to a very interesting model that I have developed using Python. So basically it will help you to calculate the Mz.Cat factor according to section 4 of the AS1170.2, which can then be used to calculate the wind load on the structure later on. This is a demo version, so it is not yet complete. Let's call it phase 1 of the project. So instead of open the standard and then calculating the lag distance and then the averaging distance, let's say your height of the structure is 5 meters, so your lag distance will be 100 meters. So what you need to do is open the map, let's say somewhere here. You need to measure the distance to here, let's say 100 meters here, right? And then you need to take a screenshot. Paste it in here, and then you need to scale it using, let's say this one. So you need to scale it to, well, let's say 424242. So you need to scale it 1.2 times. Sorry. And now you have the roughly right distance, right scale, and then you do the whatever it is, like a radius of the lag distance and the averaging distance, which can take a lot of time for a beginner to do, and it is very annoying. So that is the reason why I developed this model. Let me show you how easy it is. So I can now go to Google Maps, copy the coordinates, return to my code, run my codes, paste the coordinate in, plug in the height of the structure, and then boom, everything showed up. So my coding will automatically calculate all the dimensions and draw a circular for you. Alright, I also added the dash line here, which is 100 meter spacings. I thought it would be very helpful to estimate the distance. You can either use it on the coding platform like here, or if you prefer a full screen version, you can download it, click download, and then open it. So now you have a full screen version. I also have this tool here, which is, I find it very helpful. It's called a measure distance. So if you click here, let's say I want to calculate this area, specific area. Yeah, it will tell me how big it is, and you can, yeah, I think it's very handy if you want to calculate the tributary area, right? Okay, as I mentioned earlier, this is phase 1 of this project. The phase 2 would be to train the model to automatically recognize a terrain category. For example, the TC 1, 2, 2.5, 3 or 4. I think it will be hard, but let's see if I have time for it. So this is the end of my short video. If you find this video interesting, please leave a comment on how I can improve my model. Thank you for watching. Peace.